Okay, bear with me, people. This is the first video. This is a Black & Decker 10 amp 15-inch electric mower. Okay. The model number right there, BEMW472BH. Okay. We picked this up trash picking. Alright, looks brand new. Took it apart. I'm not going to show you the disassembly, but basically, here's your problem. It was a busted belt. Okay, there's very little information about these online, so I figured I'd post this. Okay, here's the belt that was on it. 522 PJ8. You can find them online. I got mine right here, tricitytoolparts.com. Okay, replace this. You're going to take off, there's 2, 4, 6 Phillips screws on the top of the case. You're going to take the blade off the bottom. When you take the blade off the bottom, okay, there'll be 5 screws, T20s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, holding the motor onto the bottom. Okay, and then you can pull off the motor. Okay, and once you do that, you have these 4 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to loosen these, and it doesn't look like it, but they are slotted. That allows you to move this tension wheel forward to struggle and try to get this belt on. Okay, and then slowly feed it on, and then tighten it down for the tension, and you should be good to go. Okay, but basically, if a wimpy 57-year-old woman can do this, it's doable. Okay, and there you go. And when you go to put the belt on, feed the belt on, turn this pulley to help feed it on. Okay, you might want to push down on this front edge to get it to slide down over it. It's a pain, but it goes. Okay, that's a wrap. And if you want to see potentially more videos from an introverted trash picker, hit the like button. Maybe I'll make a few more. See ya.